Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine using VMware software, which is VMware Workstation 16. So first we'll be downloading an ISO file of Windows 11 from Microsoft website. So let's open up your browser and simply search for Windows 11 download. Click on the first link, that is a Microsoft link, download Windows 11. Now just scroll down and you will see download Windows 11 disk image. So we will select Windows 11 here and click on download. It will then ask you for it will then ask you to select your language. So we'll select English United States and click on confirm. Here it will show you some information like the link will be valid for 24 hours, and so simply click on 64-bit download again and it will download a copy of Windows 11 ISO file at the bottom left corner. Okay, so I have already downloaded that file and we'll click on show in folder. So this is our file which we'll be using to install Windows 11 on virtual machine. So we'll close this and now let's open your VMware software. So click on file at the top left corner and click on new virtual machine. Select the first option, that is recommended, click next. Select the third option, I will install the operating system later, and click next. So we are going to install Microsoft Windows, so let it be like that, Windows 10 and later. And you can name it like Windows 11. And then click next. Leave it like this and click next. Make sure you have the second option selected and simply click finish. So we have our new machine created. Now we will edit some settings. So click on edit virtual machine settings. I will increase the memory to 4 gigs. Will increase the processors also, 4 cores. You can increase the hard drive space if you want, but I'm not going to do that, but that is the option. Expand disk capacity. If you click on expand, you can increase the size from here. And from CD DVD we will select the image which we have downloaded, that is an ISO file which is in our download folder. So I'll click on browse and click downloads at the left hand side. This is the file, click open. Okay, there's one more thing we will have to add here that is important for Windows 11, that is trusted platform module. But if we click here to add this option, it says the virtual machine must be encrypted using UEFI firmware. So I'll click on cancel over here. So we'll go to options at the top and click on access control, and we will enable encryption from here. As soon as you click on that, it will ask you to type a password. So let's type a password and confirm it. Now click on encrypt. Okay, that's done. We will do one more thing. We'll click on advanced and make sure you have that UEFI selected and enable secure boot. Click OK here. Now click on edit virtual machine settings once again. Now we will be able to add that trusted platform module, so click on it and click finish. So we have added the trusted platform module and click OK. Okay, now we are ready to power on this machine, which will install Windows 11 on it. So I'll click on power on this virtual machine and I will expand it. Now it says press any key, so press any key. Okay, now installation has started. Now you can select your language and click on next. Click on install now. Okay, it is asking for Windows 11 product key. I don't have a key, so we'll click on that option. Select Windows 11 Pro and click on next. Please accept the license and agreement and put a check in the box. Click next. Click on the second option as we are installing the fresh copy. And then click on next again. It says it is going to restart. Okay, you can select the country or region you are in. I will let it be like that. Click yes. Keyboard layout, I will leave it like that. You can select English India if you are in India. I will skip this part. Okay, let's name your device. I will click on setup for personal use and click next. We'll click on sign in options to see if we can skip this part. And we will click on offline account. We don't want a Microsoft account. I will click on skip for now. Now let's type an account name. And click next. Type a password if you want to have a password, but I will keep it blank because I don't want a password. Click next, next again, accept. Okay, so finally we have Windows 11 installed on our PC. I mean, on our VMware software. I'll just right click on the desktop and click on display settings. And we'll select the resolution 1920 by 1080. Okay, that looks great. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye bye.